Okay, so when you go to Scratch, which is scratch.mit.edu, once you go there, you'll find that you need to sign up for it. So let's join Scratch. Now for you, it'd be your last name and then your first name with your school password for your password. So for me, it'd be Wampler James, and my password. All right, then you can put whatever you want to in for your, I'm just going to scroll, I was born in 1913. There you go. And male, United States. Okay. Let's see here. Cool. We have another account there. And let's go. All right, so now I have my account, and I want to get a copy of the soundboard that we'll need. So I need to go back into my assignment and use my slides to find the soundboard. All right, so down here it says, click this link to get Mr. Wampler's template. So I'm going to click here, and there is the template. You might notice this message up here saying confirm your email. It means you might have to go back to your email and see if it sent you a confirmation. Some students are having trouble getting the soundboard to work, and sometimes that seems to clear it up. I'm not sure if it's what's causing the issue, but it does seem to help them if they're having trouble. All right, so I have this soundboard here, and you'll notice on here, I've already told you how to wire it up. So under the instructions, you can see that the mechanoreceptors get wired to the space bar on your Makey. Thermoreceptors get wired to your up arrow on the Makey. Nociceptors down, chemoreceptors right, photoreceptors left. All right. Now you'll want to change the sounds that I have because right now you can hear what they are. I just put some sample sounds that don't make any sense. Right. So I've got duck, snap, pop, meow, and ukulele thing or something. All right. So you'll want to change those sounds. So here's how you do that. You'll want to go into the See Inside, so you can see inside of what I've done to program my soundboard, and you can copy it. So to copy it, you're going to go over to the Remix button. This remixes it for you. It saves a copy for you. So I'll remix it here, and I'm going to call this one Wampler's Neuron soundboard. All right. Now on there, I have the same, what they call sprites, the same pictures that do something. All right. I've got the beaker for the chemoreceptor. I have the light switch that moves up and down like a mechanoreceptor. I have the thermometer for thermoreceptor. It's ouch for nociceptor, and this camera for photoreceptor. Now, if you want to change those pictures, you can actually go into taking a picture. You can pull one from your drive if you have a cool picture that you like that you saved. You can paint new ones, or you can choose ones from the library that you think would represent your different sensory receptors. All right. So when you want to change the sounds, this is what I definitely want you to do, is to get on there and change your sounds. So we'll start with this chemoreceptor here. And right now it's set, the script is set up so that when the right arrow is pressed, it will stop all sounds, and it will play a meow sound. So check it out. So a meow doesn't really remind me of anything chemical or a chemoreceptor or something tasting or smelling, so that's not the best sound to use. You'll want to change that. Here's how you do that. Go into Sounds, and you can get rid of the cat, and you'll want to record a sound of your own or pull one from a library. I'll show you how to do each. So go to the Record New Sound, and for me, I'll want to turn my microphone all the way up because part of it's being used for this program that I'm using to record everything, so it needs a little extra help. On your computer, it probably won't. The Chromebook mic works pretty well. So let's record something real quick for chemoreceptor. I'll allow it. And chemoreceptor, taste and smell. All right. Now, to edit your sound, all you have to do is click on the empty space here that nothing's happening. And I'm going to delete that. So that way, as soon as you touch the button, it'll start right into what I'm saying. All right, and that might not be loud enough, so you can also highlight that area and make it louder. All right. Nice. All right. But you're not done yet. So I'm going to change this recording to chemoreceptor. And I'm going to go back into my script and change it from when the right arrow key is pressed, stop all sounds and play a meow. It's going to play chemoreceptor. Let's test it out. Press the right arrow key. Cool. That one is done. Now I go into the nociceptor. Same thing. Now you see it changes to when the down arrow key is pressed, it's going to stop all sounds and play a sound that's pop. Let's test it out. Right? So I got to change that. Go into sounds. But instead of recording something this time, I change this. Kill those. Instead of recording, I'll show you how to pull one from the library. So all these different sounds to pull from. And again, if you're going to do this, you need to find some way that this indicates something painful, because your nociceptors are all about pain. Okay, so maybe if it's a bird flying to a window. Let's see here.
Hey.
All right, so you can pick. I'm just going to pick anything. You have to pick something that's appropriate for your nociceptor. All right. All right, that works pretty well. There you go. Okay, so now I've got to change that in my script. So I'm going to go over here. When the down arrow key is pressed, and stop all sounds and play the scream. Right? That is how you change the different sounds for your different receptors. You'll still have to wire it up to your bionic skin for Ron, but that is how you change the sounds.